Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more financial reviews. In this LendUp Express loan review, I'll share my personal experience using their services. For more details, including links to LendUp's official site and product information, check the description below. LendUp Express loans offer a speedy and convenient way to access short-term funds. The entire application process happens online, and approvals are often granted within minutes, which is perfect for urgent cash needs. Loan amounts vary from $100 to $1,000, with repayment terms tailored to your state and the specific loan you choose. A key advantage of LendUp Express loans is their straightforward and transparent fee structure. Unlike many payday lenders, they clearly disclose the April fees and the total borrowing cost upfront. This empowers borrowers to make well-informed decisions. Loan durations generally range from a few weeks to a month, with possible extensions in some circumstances, although these might incur additional fees. LendUp focuses on serving individuals who may not qualify for traditional loans, particularly those with less than perfect credit. Their goal is to provide a financial safety net for people facing unexpected expenses who may lack other credit options. However, it's crucial to understand that while LendUp Express loans offer flexibility, the interest rates can be substantial, particularly for borrowers with lower credit scores. Therefore, carefully reviewing the terms and conditions is essential before taking out a loan to ensure it aligns with your budget. In summary, LendUp Express loans can be a helpful resource for those requiring quick, short-term financial assistance. However, the associated costs are high, so they should be used only as a last resort. Always read the fine print carefully, and if possible, explore alternative lending options to avoid excessive interest payments. Remember to borrow responsibly and only what you can afford to repay.